Hi everyone and welcome to the walk around video here at Your Next Car. So as always we are going to begin with a walk around the exterior of this wonderful 2 Series M Sport Coupe presented in the mineral grey. It's a 2018 18 plate car, so it does have the very nice facelift that the 2 Series is not long received. Included in that you get the facelift front lights, rear lights and a few tweaks that we will of course point out to yourselves as we go around the car and show you the overall condition. Alongside being presented in the mineral grey, we have of course fitted the full YNC Mperformance body styling kit to the car, all of which you'll see as we go around the car, and of course that making it very stand out alongside that already very nice exterior colour. The alloy wheels to the car are the 18-inch M Sport alloys that are finished in the original optional extra ferric grey. At the front there you'll be able to take in that lovely gloss black front splitter and matching kidney grills. Moving on down the side of the car, we've added the satin side vinyls, matching side bars and the YNC Mperformance decals. And of course there you'll be able to see just how nicely presented this 2 Series is. Moving on into the interior for our first look at it. This vehicle comes equipped with the very nice black Dakota leather, which in the front comes with the electric lumbar option. And again, you'll be able to see just how nicely presented all of that is. The interior trim is the aluminum hexagon with extra estral blue accents. It's a 7-speed automatic vehicle. And in the rear, you'll find the Isofix 2x2 seat arrangement with the central storage tray. And of course, we get that very nice darkened M Sport headlining. Moving on towards the rear of the car, again showing you the very nice 18-inch alloy wheels, again presented still in that very nice optional ferric grey colour. Also got Bridgestone Potenza RFT tyres all the way around. At the rear we've added the gloss black rear diffuser and satin rear boot spoiler. Another nice thing for the 2 Series is just how large the luggage capacity is in the boot. Again, all very nicely presented. You also get the option for split folding seats to again further enhance your luggage capacity. And again, those very sharp looking rear facelift lights. Down to the other side of the car, you'll again be able to see, thanks to the sun coming through into the showroom, how nice that mineral colour really works very nicely with all of the additions we've made here at Your Next Car. And all of the bodywork very clean, very tidy. Moving on into the interior, because with the 2018 upwards 2 Series, with being the facelift, there is some changes again that are very key to point out to you. First of all, when we enter the car, we're greeted by the lovely LED backlit display, which gives the appearance of a very nice dashboard. You will see there, we'll go through a couple of the messages. It's covered just over 22,000 miles, so again, a very nice low mileage car. And we've also got the BMW business navigation and media screen. Currently on display, we've got the DAB list. However, we've also got a wide array of multimedia inputs covering you for your CD, along with USB and AUX, and of course Bluetooth inputs as well. And of course we get Bluetooth telephone with that as well. And there you can see the navigation service, which is of course also inclusive of real-time traffic updates, being that we're in a newer vehicle, being that it's a facelift. We also get the facelift iDrive, always keeping you on that fastest route possible. Heading back to the main menu, again you can tell the difference because everything is separated into little sub menus, making it that little bit more user friendly. Another optional extra for this car is the Connected Drive Plus we have, giving you access and utilising the vehicle's own 4G network to online search, news and weather functions. A really user friendly and very useful tool for when you're out and about in the car. In terms of servicing, everything is highlighted in the green. If we go down into engine oil, you can see there that the next service is not due for 8,000 miles. And we've got full BMW service history, including the pre-delivery inspection check. As I mentioned, it's a 7-speed automatic. On this lovely multi-function M Sport steering wheel, we've got the option for the speed limiter and both the voice and volume controls as well. So I do hope you've enjoyed this walk around video and of course been able to find it useful. If you do have any questions or comments and you want to drop them down below, please do of course feel free and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. For further information, check down below in the description, and there will of course be a link to our website along with direct contact details to get in touch with us here at Your Next Car. Thank you for taking the time to watch the video, and hopefully guys, we'll be able to see yourselves very, very soon. Take care, see you soon, goodbye.